Good afternoon, students. Today's our subject is operational research and the topic is assignment problem. So objectives of this unit or objectives of this chapter, after studying this unit, you should be able to know the formulate assignment problem, determine the optimal solutions of assignment problem using the Hungarian method, obtain the solutions for special cases of assignment problem, that is the maximization case, minimization case, the unbalanced assignment problem, the optimal alternative optimal solutions and the restrictions of assignment, and you know how to solve the traveling salesman problem as an assignment problem. So these are the objectives of the assignment problem. Now we start with the meaning. The assignment problem deals with allocating various resources to various activities on a one-to-one basis. That is, the number of operations are to be assigned to an equal number of operators where each operators perform only one operation. For example, suppose an accounts officer has 4 subordinates and 4 tasks. There are 4 subordinates and 4 tasks. The subordinates differ in efficiency and to take different time to perform each task. If one task is to be assigned to one person in such a way that the total person hours are minimized, the problem is called as assignment problem. In assignment problem, it deals with the allocating various resources items and to various activities to receivers or to subordinates to one task to one person. So there are number of operations are to be assigned to an equal number of operators, where each operator perform only one operation at a time. So suppose an accounts officer has 4 subordinates and 4 tasks. The subordinates differ in efficiency and take different time to perform each task. If one task is to be assigned to one person in such a way that the total person hour is minimized, and this is known as the assignment problem. So assignment problem is a special type of linear programming problem in which the objective is to minimize the cost and minimize the cost or the time of completing the number of jobs or a number of persons. The assignment data, model data in the allocation of resources to various activities on the one-to-one basis in the way that the resultant effectiveness is optimized, and in the simplest and most efficient method was developed by the Hungarian mathematician known as the Hungarian method. So now we use another method called Hungarian method for solving an assignment problem. It is a shorter and easier compared to the any method of the finding the optimal solution of the transportation problem. So as we compare the transportation problem to the assignment problem, so assignment problem is easier than the transportation, and it is also shorter than the transportation problem. In this unit, we discussed various types of assignment problem, including the traveling sales problem, apply the Hungarian method to solve with the minimum and the maximum method. We have also to do here the unbalanced assignment problem here. So now we start with the Hungarian method of solving a assignment problem. So there are some steps for obtaining an optimal solution of an assignment problem are as follows. So the first step is check whether the given matrix is square. Firstly, we have to check the matrix is given is in square. If not, then we have to make it square by adding a suitable number of dummy rows or columns with 0 cost, time, and element. So this is known as the dummy assignment problem. Locate the smallest cost element in each row of the cost matrix. Subtract the smallest element of each row from every element that row. After that, when we check the matrix is square or not, so the next step is to allocate the smallest cost element in each row. In the resulting cost matrix, locate the smallest element in each column and subtract the smallest element in each column from every element of that column. After eliminating the smallest column in each row, after that step, we have to need the third step we have to need the smallest, find out the smallest element in each column and subtract then that smallest element from each column of that column. So the fourth step is it is the resulting matrix. Search for an optimum assignment as follows. Examine the rows successively until a row with the exactly 1 0 is found. Draw a